Hi, Kent with iCleanFloors.com. About to clean sofa. The estimated value is $10,000. The not even close. Somebody got robbed. The doing a documentary. Just doing documenting what's the stains that are on here and the soiling. This is June 13th, I think, Wednesday, 2018. Red stains here. I did point out to the lady to Victoria, that there's red stains. I can see some stains right here. Pretty much soiling. Overall, you'll see some stains right there. Really. And see, of course, on the armrest, you're going to see some soiling from there. But outside of that, it's in, we're going to dry clean. We're going to one-step dry clean this. Basically, we're going to dry vacuum. Stain right there. Dirt. We rolled up this is a wool rug. So we rolled up the rug. We're actually going to move the sofa to over the tarp and go from there. Basically, this is going to be, how this is going to go. This is $10,000. Excuse me. This is a very expensive sofa, and right off of Esplanade. So yes, I need to edit that. We're going to dry clean this. We're not going to soak it down like we do normal synthetic fabrics or anything like this. This is going to be dry vac. Then we're going to, by hand, start dry cleaning. So that's a two-step process. One, you use a sponge and you wipe all in one direction. And then you take a brush. Ooh, forgot to get the room brushes back in the van. Then you brush it. Oh, I have the other thing. Then you brush it to lift the dirt, and then you immediately extract. You don't use water extraction. You're going to use just a dry vacuum. Those are the steps for it. Any kind, most kinds of natural fibers. You want to dry it fast so you don't get any browning or anything like that. So this is relatively easy. It's just time consuming and a lot of steps, probably 25 steps at least to get up here wood. So we had to bring a portable up here. We had to bring a portable because it just made more sense, even though we could have went with the van and drug hoses all the way up here, but just do this and that way. It's a little bit quiet. No, it's just not going to be quieter. But that's it. This is another day. So we do all types of furniture, from rental house furniture to high-end exquisite furniture to regular Walmart rugs to $20,000, $30,000 silk rugs. So give us a call, Kent with iCleanFloors.com. The proof is in the pudding. This is the before. You'll see the after.